Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find Binance Smart Chain wallet address on your Bitget application. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application, and after that at the bottom right corner click on the assets tab. Now click on the deposit button. Now again click on the deposit crypto button. Now here I will search USDT. Simply tap on USDT Tether, and here you can see that you need to select the network BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. Simply tap here, and here you can see your BEP20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy the address or share the QR code with the sender. And now we will demonstrate this on BNB coin. Simply tap deposit and tap deposit crypto again, and you may have select any coin such as BNB, USDT, any coin, but always select the network BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain, and keep in mind that both network are same. Search in the search bar BNB. Simply tap here, and here you can see your BNB BEP20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy the address or share the QR code with the sender, and also make sure that the sender also uses the same network or you will lose all your funds permanently. And that's it. Now you know how to find Binance Smart Chain wallet address on both USDT or BNB on Bitget. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.